My name is Peter Bruniger. Join me as I review the VRE-1C Preamplifier from Steve McCormick. It's right here, the power supply and the unit. VRE stands for Virtual Reality Engine. It's aptly named, as we'll find out as we explore its virtues. We'll set it up next, we'll listen to it, and I'll give you my thoughts and my findings. Here we go, the VRE-1C. We'll start with the owner's manual. Using the VRC preamp, unpacking it. You can see the back panel, front panel, and power supply drawings here. It's very detailed, prepares you for use, shows you how to hook up the umbilical cords. The front panel layout is explained, as is the rear panel layout. There's the remote. Shows you how to engage the home theater bypass. More highlights. Its performance attributes are listed here. All about the power supply is right here. What interconnect cables they recommend, the break-in period, and the specs. And how to get the most out of the unit. It has internal ground switching, which I think is a must-have on every unit, amplifier unit on market today. It allows you to float the grounds. Adapters are available for the inputs. It has one basic input for balanced, and the rest are RCAs. Let's set it up. Okay, let's place the sound anchor stand. It's heavy. In place. We'll place the unit on top. This is the actual amplifier. We'll see the back. Take 3 still points. Two in the back. And one in the front. Now we'll take the power supply and we'll lift that up into position in the front of the sound anchor stand when we're done. Let's put these on. Okay, let's hook up the power supply. Start with the smaller cable here. Snugs right in. And the larger umbilical cord, push, twist, and it locks. Our source components. We'll begin with our digital and our analog. This is a long run to the turntable of purest aqueous, a cable that I've pressed into use for so many years. It still works. The connections are solid. It's a smooth cable. I like it for my long analog run. And lastly, okay, let's get the outputs on. We're using Kubala Sosna. Elation level. Interconnects. These are superb cables. There we go. The system is cabled up also with TerraLab. This is the top of the line model here. And we have a Mega Gold for speaker cable. And the one TerraLab, the power cords. Okay, let's bring power to the power supply. Put this in, plug it in. There we go. We're all powered up. We'll anchor that up on the sound anchor stand in a moment. Let's put it up. There we go. Let's operate it. We can do that either by the remote, change inputs, or on the face. And you can invert polarity. And that's your home theater bypass here. And we unmute it. Our analog consists of the Ypsilon phonostage, the Ginkgo audio platform, it's a 12S, a superb triangle art signature turntable with triplanar tone arm, currently using a Grasshopper Gold 3, using a step up, the Ypsilon MC 16. And for the record weight, we alternate between the Walker and the beautiful triangle art clamp. And the amplifiers used for this review are the AudioNet Max monoblocks, the speakers are the YG Sonia 1.3s. Now the 1.3s have the lower bass module and come in 3 sections. Now that we've set the system up, let's give it a listen. You'll be able to hear the clarity of the SMC just like I do.